Welcome back to BitcoinDorks. Today, we're diving into the recent resurgence of Ethereum, which has led the broader crypto market in a rebound. Ethereum, often regarded as the backbone of decentralized finance and the home to a myriad of decentralized applications, has been gaining momentum, with analysts eyeing a potential surge to $4,000 per token. Let's delve into the factors driving Ethereum's resurgence and what it means for the crypto market as a whole. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, has been on a remarkable journey lately, leading the crypto market in a rebound after a period of consolidation and uncertainty. As the foundation for countless decentralized applications and smart contracts, Ethereum's resurgence signals renewed interest in decentralized finance, DeFi, and the broader crypto ecosystem. Several factors have contributed to Ethereum's bullish momentum, propelling its price towards the $4,000 mark. One key driver is the growing adoption of decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols and applications built on the Ethereum blockchain. DeFi continues to attract significant attention and investment, with Ethereum serving as the primary platform for these innovative financial services. Ethereum's upcoming upgrade to Ethereum 2.0, which aims to improve scalability, security, and sustainability, has bolstered investor confidence in the long-term potential of the network. This upgrade is expected to address some of the scalability issues that have plagued Ethereum in the past, making it more efficient and capable of handling a larger volume of transactions. Institutional interest in Ethereum has been on the rise, with major financial institutions and corporations exploring ways to integrate Ethereum and its native cryptocurrency, Ether, into their operations. This institutional adoption serves as a validation of Ethereum's value proposition and could further fuel its price growth in the coming months. Technical analysis and price targets play a crucial role in understanding Ethereum's current price movements and predicting its future trajectory. Analysts and traders utilize various technical indicators, chart patterns, and mathematical models to assess market sentiment and identify potential price levels for Ethereum. One key aspect of technical analysis is the examination of Ethereum's price chart, which provides insights into historical price movements and patterns. Analysts look for patterns such as support and resistance levels, trend lines, and chart formations to identify potential entry and exit points for trades. Technical indicators provide valuable insights into Ethereum's price dynamics by measuring various aspects of its price action. Moving averages, for instance, smooth out price data over a specified period, revealing trends and potential support or resistance levels. Traders often use moving averages to identify the direction of the trend and potential entry or exit points. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is another widely used indicator that measures the magnitude of recent price changes to evaluate overbought or oversold conditions. RSI values range from 0 to 100, with readings above 70 indicating overbought conditions and readings below 30 signaling oversold conditions. When Ethereum's RSI reaches extreme levels, it may suggest a potential reversal in price direction. Similarly, stochastic oscillators assess the momentum of Ethereum's price movements by comparing its closing price to its price range over a specified period. This indicator helps traders identify potential trend reversals or continuation patterns based on overbought or oversold conditions. By integrating these technical indicators into their analysis, traders can enhance their comprehension of Ethereum's price momentum and pinpoint favorable opportunities to execute trades. However, it's crucial to employ technical indicators alongside other analytical tools and risk management strategies to make well-informed trading decisions in the unpredictable cryptocurrency market. Technical analysis serves as a valuable tool in assessing market sentiment and identifying potential price trends. Still, it should be complemented by fundamental analysis, which evaluates the underlying factors driving Ethereum's value, such as network upgrades, adoption trends, and regulatory developments. Risk management strategies play a crucial role in navigating the volatile cryptocurrency market and safeguarding capital against potential losses. One effective technique is setting stop-loss orders, which automatically execute trades to limit losses once a predetermined price level is reached. By implementing stop-loss orders, traders can minimize their exposure to downside risk and protect their investment capital. Diversification is another key aspect of risk management, involving the allocation of capital across various assets to spread risk. Instead of concentrating all investments on a single cryptocurrency, diversifying portfolios across multiple assets can help mitigate the impact of adverse price movements in any particular asset. This approach reduces the overall risk exposure and enhances the resilience of the investment portfolio against market fluctuations. Adhering to predetermined trading plans is essential for maintaining discipline and consistency in trading activities. Establishing clear trading objectives, entry and exit points, and risk-reward ratios beforehand can help traders make rational decisions based on predetermined criteria rather than emotional impulses. Following a well-defined trading plan helps mitigate impulsive and irrational behavior, which often leads to poor trading outcomes and unnecessary losses. Employing proper position sizing techniques is crucial for managing risk effectively. By determining the appropriate allocation of capital for each trade based on risk tolerance and account size, traders can limit the potential impact of individual trades on their overall portfolio. Proper position sizing ensures that losses from unsuccessful trades are manageable and do not disproportionately erode the trading account's equity. In conclusion, Ethereum's recent price surge and leadership in the crypto market rebound are indicative of the platform's growing importance and relevance in the digital economy. With continued adoption, technological innovation, and institutional interest, Ethereum is well positioned to maintain its upward trajectory and potentially reach new all-time highs in the coming months. As always, investors should conduct thorough research and seek professional advice before making any investment decisions in the cryptocurrency market. That's all for today's update on Ethereum's resurgence and its impact on the broader crypto market.